Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by creating a full system image. You need admin rights and an external USB drive. First, plug in a USB greater or equal to 16 GB and note its drive letter. Once done, open an elevated command prompt or PowerShell, type cmd, right-click, run as administrator. Now run dism to capture the current Windows image. Use dism/capture image against C to save a WIM file to the USB. This creates the base files the recovery partition will reference. Next, you create the actual recovery partition. Open disk part and select the system disk, then shrink the main volume to free 500 to 2000 MB, depending on image size. Create a primary partition, format it NTFS, and mark it active so the boot files can live there. Make sure to assign a temporary drive letter so you can copy files. Once formatted, copy the boot files and your captured WIM into a folder named Recovery or Windows RE on that partition. Finish by registering the new recovery image and validating it. Use reagent/setImage/path to the recovery folder you copied, then run reagent/enable to turn Windows recovery environment on. Check reagent/info to confirm paths and status. Finally, reboot into Advanced Startup to test the recovery option. Choose Troubleshoot and ensure the environment loads. If it fails, make sure the partition is active, the WIM path is correct, and boot files were copied. Repair.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.